We are here with another video of IGCSE February March 2024. In question number 10, the examiner is asking from you to complete the table for this given expression. Simply you have to substitute minus 3 in this expression and you will get the value. Put minus 3 in place of x in a given expression and simply calculate it on your calculator. You will get the answer as minus 2.5. Mark this value over here. Now you have to find the next value. Simply put negative 0.5 cube plus 6 negative 0.5 square minus 2.5. Calculate this whole expression in your calculator and you will get the answer minus 1.25. Mark over here. Similarly, substitute 1 in place of x. So you will get 6 1 square minus 2.5 and the value of y for x is equals to 1 will be 5.5. Simply put the value to complete the table. In a second part, the examiner is asking on the grid draw the graph of this expression, which is actually this expression, but he has restricted you between minus 3 and 1. You have to take minus 3 and 1 as well. So we will draw the graph for you between from minus, actually it should be from minus 3 to 1 because we have to take minus 3 and 1 also. We have to draw the grid. The scale over here, one small box is equals to 0.5, 0.1, sorry. This is origin, this is 1, this is 2, and this one is x-axis. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, and it is minus 3. This is actually y-axis. First we will plot the points. For minus 3 you have to take 2.5, negative 2.5. This is minus 3. You have to take negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 will fall over here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point. Next take negative minus 2.5, 3.75 in a positive sense, 3.7. It will be over 2.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 9, 8, 7. The point will fall over here. Next point will be minus 2, 5.5. This is minus 2. You have to take 5.5. 5.5 will be over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point is this one. Now take minus 1.5. That is minus 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to take the value as 4.2. It is 4. This is 1 and this is 2. It is 4.2. Now take minus 1 and draw minus 1.25. This is minus 1.25. 2 will be drawn over here. The point for 0, the value is minus 2.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The point will lie over here. Next, for 0.25, you have to mark negative 0.75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 10, 9, 8, 7. This is the point. For 1, you have to mark 1, 5.5. Positive sense. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The point will lie over here. Now you have to match all these points roughly or with the help of scale. It's better to match them with scale. Here it was point. This is the graph which he was demanding from you. In part C, he is asking from you by drawing a suitable line on the graph. It means you have to draw another line on this graph to solve this equation. For this, you have to make this left hand side just similar to this one. As it is quite clear, the first two terms are same, but the third term is missing. So we will subtract minus 2.5 from both sides. 4.5 minus 2.5. This whole value is of y. So y is equals to 2. Whenever you get the value of y to be constant, the line will be drawn parallel to x-axis. He's asking you to find the values of x as well. So we are going to draw the line over here for y is equal to 2. As this is shown in a figure, this is y2. So that draw the line over here. This line is for y is equals to 2, while this whole graph was for y is equals to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2.5. This is the graph for. Here you have to find the values where this line cuts the graph. It's cutting the graph over here, here and here. If we see, you can find it quite clear that this point is 0.75. This is negative 1.1, while this is negative 2.7. In part D, the examiner is asking the equation this has exactly two solutions. Write down the two possible values of k. You have to find maximum or minimum point in a graph. As it is clear from the graph that the minimum or maximum values are here. If you draw a random line over here, and if you move this line, this is the minimum point of the graph, that is 0. This is the minimum value. If you keep on sliding this red line upward, you will see that it will meet the graph at maximum point, that is this one. So the maximum point will be for the value of x minus 2. The value of y is 5.5. Hopefully you have understood each and everything. Thank you for watching the video.